Hi my friend, in this video let's see how to build a subtitle object. Go to Tools menu and Subtitle Editor, and in this pop-up interface we can type in the content, the first line, and go to second line, dcube CG Live HD, and randomly type in something. Alright, now we have got 5 lines. This is one way, directly typing it. I will select all and delete. There's another way also. Click this open up, and you can select a txt file to import the content of the txt. I will navigate to the drive E and select this one and click open. Alright, you can see the content is imported from the txt file. This way is easier for some of you. And now we're going to change its font. Each letter can be assigned with a different color. I will give the first letter a color, and then I will click this button, and all the following letters will be assigned with the same color. And the second one is also, because this button is selected, the property of this line will be following the former one, the former line. And then the third line is also with this button selected. So you just have to define the first line, and then all the other following lines will be copying the same color, unless you assign it with the independent and different color. Alright, we have checked all these 5 lines, and they have the same color property. And here at the third column, using a right click, and then there will be a pop-up dialog. Here you can adjust the position of the subtitle and click OK. Then there are effects for each line. Double click the effects column, and then the property panel will be switched to effects panel, and you can select in effect, stay effect, and out effect for each line. As soon as I select an in effect, and then you can see there is a little square appears, and then the second square and the third square for the out effect. I will choose effect for each line. Okay, now each line has effects. I will save it. Click the Save As button, and I will choose a type and give it a name, and click Save. Okay, now the subtitle file is ready. I will close this subtitle editor, and I'm gonna import this subtitle file. Use this subtitle object. Give it a click, and then go to the Browse button. Click the Browse button, and select the file, and click Open. Then in the preview window, you just give it a click. The subtitle file was imported. If you give it a double click again, you will re-enter the subtitle editor. Okay, now I'll give it a preview. You can see all the effects and the content we have been building. That's fantastic, isn't it? Okay, one more thing left for the subtitle. To record the display time, double click the subtitle to re-enter the subtitle editor. And here, right now, I'm using the menu play mode. The guide next to it is record menu play. I click activate this button, and then I will click play button. As soon as I click this button, the system will start it to play this subtitle manually, and I will use my spacebar to tell it when to continue, when to stop, and then the system will record the time as I do it. there's a tip space to continue, or escape plus shift to abort. And this time I will stroke my space bar for the first line, and the second bar, then the next, and next. Okay, it's done. Now you can see here the end time has some differences. There are the numbers are recorded, and right now, if you use the autoplay again, then you will start from the first one to second one to third one, according to the number I have already recorded. You see, it will jump to the next and next and next according to the time. Okay, that's it. I will click the close button and save it. Right now, in this main editor, this is the timeline. In the timeline, I'll give it dynamic preview. That's it. That's how we record the time. First line, then second line, and third line. Thank you very much for joining me in this subtitle video. See you next time.